Most people get this wrong. They think Billo is just another payday advance or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that Billo has transformed into a flexible financial tool that combines early wage access, installment payments, and spending tracking all on one platform. Used responsibly, it can help manage short-term cash flow without the high-interest pitfalls of traditional loans. Here's how Billo works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is ideal for unexpected bills, urgent purchases, or emergencies. Second, Billo allows eligible purchases to be split into manageable installments over several weeks. Instead of charging traditional interest, it uses a predictable flat fee, making budgeting much easier. Billo also provides spending dashboards, notifications, and reminders so you can track your upcoming payments and monitor your cash flow. These tools reduce the risk of late fees and help you stay on top of your finances. The downside, overusing Billo can get costly. Frequent advances or missed installments can add up quickly, and relying too heavily on the platform may hide underlying financial issues instead of solving them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access funds you can realistically repay on time. 2. Enable notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependency. Who benefits most from Billo? People with steady income who occasionally need a cash boost or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, Billo could end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, Billo in 2026 is a convenient tool, but only if used wisely. Track your fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and practical money tips to stay in control of your finances.